What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in this video, I have my third $7 mystery box from a store called Lucky Duck Discounters. Now, if you guys didn't catch my other two videos, I will have them linked in the description box so you can check them out. So far, these boxes are like, you know, only paid $7 for them, so you can't expect the moon and the stars. Let's just put it that way. I definitely get my money's worth, for sure. But there's a lot of things in here that I could definitely just throw away. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what we got. I do love the store itself, though. I shop there all the time in their bins and, you know, pick out the things that I want to get. But these mystery boxes, I just love good mystery boxes, and I thought they would be super fun. And, you know, so far, I don't know, I haven't really struck gold. So this is a whiteboard marker, so that's fine, you know. Let's just keep moving here. And then we have a random thing. This is what happens in these. You get definitely a lot of random stuff. So this is fine because I can craft with this, so that's fine. This here is a bag. It says you need this. Take care of laundry. Yeah, I don't know. It's a corduroy bag. It's fine. It's cute. You know, I'm not mad at that. What is this? This is a CPAP tubing. So this is great if somebody has a CPAP, you know, but I do not. So I don't have a use for that. This, what is this? Is this like a weight holder? Yeah, I mean, I think that's because it says 100 pounds on it. It's like a weight holder bag. It's a round bag. I mean, I could use it for whatever I want, but I think that might be its intended use. I'm not really sure. So this is what I'm saying. Like, you got this random bag of what? It doesn't say what it is or anything. So, like, you have to open it to see what's going on, you know? Okay, so I don't know. They're just like clear storage things or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I don't know. So I got one of these in one of my other ones, and I don't know what it's for. There's like no instructions, or it doesn't really say anything about it. So this is just a rectangle tablecloth. That's fine, right? I got a shampoo cap in one of my other boxes, and I'm very curious about them, so I am going to try one of those out. This is what I'm talking about. Like, if I'm packaging this and I see that the stuff isn't in there, I'm just going to take the box and I'm going to throw it in the garbage because that's where it belongs, right? This is the kind of stuff that irritates me a little bit about these. I think they just like grab a handful of stuff and just put it in there. They don't look, they don't check or nothing like that. So, I mean, you know, that's fine. What is this? What is it? Oh, it's a ball winder. Oh, I just made fun of it, but it's actually, oh, okay. Hold up. So you put, oh, this is actually good, you guys. Like, I just made fun of this, but I totally can use this as a crafter. That's not that bad. All right. I was totally making fun of it, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this is what I mean, you guys. What is this? Okay, hold up. It says a dumbbell rack. Okay, so this is to build a dumbbell rack. So hence the bag there. So, you know, if I knew somebody who worked out and could maybe use this stuff, if it was complete, I would do that. Okay, so these are, you know, like you would stick them in the ground outside, right? But what goes with it? So clearly this is part of something, right? So that's what I'm saying. Like, where's the rest of it? And you get a boatload of masks in these things. A boatload. I got these in some of my other bags, and I don't know what they're for. Boxes, I mean. Oh, we got a nice feather. Okay. I can use that in my crafting. That's fine. Again, another crafting thing. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it kind of reminds me of a beehive. What is it? Yeah, it doesn't say, but I can use this in my crafting, so that's fine. What do we got here? looks like it might be a pillow cover. Yeah, you get a lot of pillow covers. Yeah, here's the zipper for it. So yeah, this is a pillow cover. I noticed that you get a lot of those. You get 2 in this particular bag, so that's fine. What is this? A protective case. Is it actually in there? It is. So you get, oh, sorry. You get a ton of phone cases. So there's that too, you know. Studio wipes. Non-all-purpose urban artist studio wipes. No, it's sealed. I thought somebody opened it, but they didn't. I think they might have tried to. I am not mad at that, actually. So that's actually a good thing to have for me. So again, I don't know what this is. It looks like a bedding set. Okay, it looks like it's a bedding set for probably a twin size bed, so I'm not going to undo everything. Probably just wash it and use it for my son if he wants that. This is tore to pieces, which is a bummer because I could have totally put this out for my, you guys know what? I got these little round things in one of the other boxes. I bet it goes to this, and you're supposed to put the little Spider-Man faces on them for this broken Connect 4. That's broken. So out of this, what I will use are the stickers. Oh, I just took one off though. But at any rate, I will use these stickers for some things. Somebody like ripped some off. Why would someone do that? I don't understand. But obviously the Connect 4 is a loss because the pieces aren't here for one thing. And yeah, I'm going to throw the rest of it away, but I can definitely use the stickers. So there's that. What is this for? So this goes to something. I don't know what, right? So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so there's that. What is this? Like, it looks like it's a printer cartridge, right? Yeah, black printer cartridge. Really? Like I said, I will throw this away for them. Like, I have no use for that, and I don't think anyone else does either unless you have that kind of printer. I don't know what this is, what goes with it, or any of that kind of stuff. I mean, I can use it in my crafting, but yeah. This is the kind of stuff that you get, though, guys. It's just so very random. A couple of bags or something. I think these might be like a weight kind of a thing as well. Yeah, this is a cap. I've already got one of these. An empty box. This is what I'm saying. I get frustrated with empty boxes. I got one of these and one of my other ones as well. What is this? Anybody know what this is for? Does that have anything to do with the printer thing that I just put down there? I don't know, guys. I think that more math. We're almost to the end of this one, though. This one wasn't very long. I don't know. This is a cactus thing, so, you know, whatever. I wish I knew what these went to. I can do whatever I want to do with them, but I'm sure that it was part of something at some point. Okay. Oh, here's the rest of that. Here, look. So here's the rest of it. It's something that I would need to build. I don't know what it is though, and I don't know if all the pieces are here. I've got 3 bars, and then I've got loose screws. The screws are loose in there, and then I got these things. So I mean, I can try to build whatever that might be. Okay, so that was it, guys. That's it for this one. I don't know, guys. These are worth $7, but a lot of the stuff in there is things that people probably don't use on the regular, and a lot of things just need thrown away. So, you know, I got one more of these. Will I continue buying them? I don't know. Maybe every now and again I'll get one, but I don't see myself going in and being like, oh, you got mystery boxes. This is so awesome. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this one. So I got one more of these for you guys, and then that is going to be it for probably a pretty long time. I'll continue to shop in their store because I love shopping their bins and just picking out the really good things that they have, especially on like their $3 and $2 days. I mean, you get some really awesome deals and find some great things, but these are just, yeah, probably not for me. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? Oh, I hit the box. Hold on.